Alright, what's up with the YouTube? This is a weird intro, but before the video, get into the video, I just want to let y'all know we already done got a oil filter. This is the brand right here. Yeah. What it look like? This what it look like right here. Hold on. So this what it look like right here. And then boom. Finally got that trans mount. It's a Power Torque. That's the brand. This what it look like. So whenever I bring my car back up there to the shop at the school, then yeah, we finna go ahead and get that new trans mount on. We gonna go ahead and do this oil change, new oil filter, all that, and then yeah. So I'm gonna get to y'all whenever I'm at the school. All right, bro. So we replacing our motor mount right now. We really already took the old mount out. Like the old mount, bro, that shit was, that wasn't even a mount. Nigga around.
That was just the motor.
Well, nigga around by the grace of God.
This what we was running. This the old motor mount. This what Josh was on. Then this what it's supposed to be. This is the whole motor mount. It didn't have a mounting part. It just had the rubberized part. It didn't have a mount. But we finna get that thing up in there.
Alright, bro. So we just loosening. We just loosening these hoes out so we can get the new transmission. Almost knocked the nigga out.
Damn, that hoe went down like my second round last night.
Type did. Oh, damn, you must have been throwing hard.
Shit, you know how I get down, bro.
Type shit.
Hello, cousin.
You got that house? This nigga taller, he work. You got that?
Yeah.
I got it. So we finna jack this, how we'll put on jack things and then do an oil change. Simple.
Larry, that motherfucker ain't sliding.
Just lie again. Oh, you don't want to scratch.
Ooh.
She flexing like a motherfucker.
Larry!
I thought you should jack your hoe from me.
Good job.
Drop that bit in
Good
there.
job.
Alright, bro, we got this bit on the jack stand, you know what I'm saying?
Alright, bro, we got that bit. Now we gotta go do the other side. I almost killed
Josh, let's
you.
go and get you lifted.
Bro, look at all these niggas, they ain't doing shit. Now I'm finna drain the oil, finna get it under though.
How much oil could be grilled for producing?
Alright, Greg.
Now, smoke you a little bit.
Alright, yo, so this what we do. So this what we doing. We gotta disconnect the battery, you know what I'm saying? Once we do that, they down there already, you know what I'm saying? Get them down there. They down there working on getting the oil cap on. You know what I'm saying? And now I'm gonna just take the spark plugs out because we're gonna change them beats because it be misfiring, you know what I'm saying? Typical Chevy. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna no electrocution, so we good, you know what I'm saying?
What?
It don't fit.
I
was just thinking about
that. Put some on the scat. Yeah, put some on the scat. Put some links. Yeah. 10 speed. What about 10 speed? 10 speed, like, you're like, car area intake and boss on.
My neck killing me.
Look, he's talking about the stain, nigga. No, he said, if pull boss on a damn stain, nigga, that he gonna put like this car gas on.
Oh, my God, got that bitch. Ah, it ain't nothing on your finger.
Saying it ain't nothing on my finger.
Ah, yeah.
I bet. So we finna let all this drip out. Then when that drip, y'all already know we finna go to the top. We finna do the oil filter. Then we finna go. Yeah. Alright, come on, we get some fucking.
Spark plug shit on, guys. I'm hot in a bitch.
Alright, bro. So he got all these spark plugs out. He got all the spark plugs out here.
It really did.
So he had 3 of those over there. And he got 3 over there. He getting out.
Bro, just want to let y'all know, bro, this tighter than what it looks, bro.
Yeah.
It's tighter.
That's what he said too. I mean, cause shit like, you know.
That's what he said.
Nah. But yeah, so we took those 3 out. And then we gotta take those 3 out. Boom, boom, boom. Then we gotta take those. I know, bro.
Yeah, you know, let's go in the body.
Here go the new ones right here.
Let's go driving the body.
We about to fall in love.
Alright, so I'm gonna get back. Well, we got the other 3 over there out. This the old spark plug. This a new spark plug.
I'm sure they knew that shit, bro.
I mean, this the old one. This the new one right here.
Oh, I think I
You know what
broke
I'm
the
saying?
spark
Like,
plug.
that's crazy, bro.
I think I broke the spark plug.
Shit ain't crazy. That shit ain't healthy. That shit diabetical.
Bro, shut up. We not asking you for your information, bro.
Bro, just be fucking clear, bitch.
But yeah, bro, so I just wanted to show y'all this right here, man. Y'all gotta make sure
I
y'all change
think I
y'all
broke the
spark
spark
plugs.
plug.
You did what, bro?
I think I broke the spark plug.
Fuck it. You gotta buy me a whole new engine. Alright, my boy Brinson clutched it. He put them all in. Yes, sir. But we got some new spark plug wires coming. But I'm at school right now, and they don't get to O'Reilly's till 11:30. So we might just dip out from school and go pick them up and come back, or have my dad bring them or some shit. Type shit. Bro, shake my hand, Mega Man. That's my nigga Mega Man right here.
Josh, make sure it's not stupid.
Alright, baby, hold on. So then we got these in right here. Now we finna jack it up. We finna put the oil filter back on and the giant plug, and we done.
Yeah.
Alright, y'all, she running smooth. Yeah, she running smooth. She idling right, all of that. I'm just cruising in first gear. You know what I'm saying? Turn signals work. Alright. Shit. Yeah. Oh, damn. Damn. That bit twerk. That bit twerk. My favorite YouTubers coming back here, you know what I'm saying? Got my boy Josh.
Your mama went back in, she got insurance, little insurance fuck with you, bitch.
Big Daddy Larry, you know what I'm saying?
Like I was saying, here go the old ones right here. The old spark plug wires.
Shitty ones and one too.
Boo boo. You know what I'm saying? Pennzoil is the best oil, you know what I'm saying? We did the oil change, we did the new filters. I'm finna flip the camera around and show y'all what they doing right now. Alright, y'all, so I don't mind my teacher in the background, but I got the new wires.
It's a kind of, we're gonna have to like,
You know what I'm saying?
we got a little boo boo.
Yeah, we just adjusting
I
it.
just thought about some, you know.
Nah, so we put a new turbo on there. Yeah, you know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
we're gonna do that on the expedition coming soon.
Yeah. Oh yeah, y'all really gotta stay tuned. My boy Brent got an expedition. We finna work on that. But yeah, there go. That side, it's all done. Then we got this side. We working on this side. You said how many? What? What 3? Yeah,
I'm taking them out because since we don't got the heat wrap, I was thinking these valve covers gonna get hot, so it'd be better to do it on the outside instead of going under.
Right. Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
Let me see if
Yeah.
what's his name?
We got the new oil filter on right there. That's a new one.
All right.
So yeah, we pretty much done.